New in DraftSight 2025 is the ability to import 3D STEP files. STEP is a very common CAD file format that enables cross-program capability, and now DraftSight can quickly and easily import this 3D file format. Yet another way you can work with our other tools like SolidWorks, CATIA, and the rest of the Dassault Systèmes portfolio. Introducing DraftSight's new DGN export capability. DGN is a 2D and 3D technical drawing file format and is commonly used for construction projects. Now, in combination with the existing DGN import capability, DraftSight can now import and export DGN files. In 2025, DraftSight is taking custom blocks even further with support for multiple visibility elements in a single custom block. A visibility element in a custom block allows a user to specify which entities of the custom block appear at a time. DraftSight is introducing yet another interface improvement in 2025 with the addition of the menu bar in all workspaces. Users no longer have to choose between a menu-based interface and a ribbon-based one, because now we have the option to always keep a menu bar at the top of our interface. New in 25 is the block structure palette. This allows users to organise, preview, hide, or isolate blocks even if you're working with blocks inside of blocks, making working with nested blocks a breeze with DraftSight's new block structure palette. Introducing DraftSight 2025's new Flatten command. The Flatten command will take the specified objects in the drawing and move all elevations on the Z-axis to 0. Receive, clean up, and optimize your files with the new Flatten command. In 2025, the new Visual Style Manager lets users customize how their 3D entities are displayed in a brand new interface palette. Use any of the default visual styles or create your own using face setting lighting options, environment settings, edge settings, and options for silhouette edges. DraftSight is introducing a powerful new drafting tool in 2025, the Dimension Space command. This command allows a user to automatically organize and position dimension strings with just a few clicks. Tables are receiving multiple performance and functionality improvements this year. Some of these enhancements include inserting blocks into individual cells, quick grips that allow for table adjustments, more comprehensive contextual menus, auto formulas, and much more. Introducing the new Dimension Style Manager. Create, edit, and share your many dimension styles in this new efficient window.